Ang Chuponso ay umabot sa 90 years. Alam namin na bihira ang nakakaabot sa ganitong age dahil sa isang katunayan na ang pagsunod sa iyo ay kaugnay ang isang pagpapala.
Muli, welcome to the 90th birthday party of our beloved Father, Tatang Bonso.
Eventually we'll fall asleep and dream about these past 3 weeks, or lie awake and dedicate our thoughts to finding what it means. But when it is all said and done, I can't think of anyone else. Nothing is just as it seems, at least that's what it seems to me. And everybody has a path, but some will walk reluctantly. Or you can throw your map away, 'cause I'll be here another day or two. Whole world take its toll and ignite your soul. They will follow the flashes in the dark. They won't stop until they find where to start. We were told as we grow older, one day we would find ourselves. But as we aged, everything changed and we were locked by different spells. Well, love is such an abstract art, and we each have a different part to play. They will find that over time that they can't help but play along. And as we wait, they hesitate for fear that something may go wrong. But when the smoke has finally cleared, things are not just as they appear. Whole world take its toll and ignite your soul.
Sa kanila. Kaya po nangyari ito na tayo na dito't nagkakatipon. Kaya po napakaraking saya ang naibigay ninyo sa amin. Nang dahil sa inyo, napuspul po ng ligaya at saya ang pagdiriwang ito ng aking ika-70 taon. Salamat po. Sana ay huwag kayong magsawa sa amin pagkaanyaya kung sakali tayo dumarating sa ganitong punto. Maraming salamat sa inyo, lahat kayo, mahalaga sa buhay namin. Kaya siguro kung kaya kami nakahas na kayo ay akalahin, siguro naman ay alam ninyo kung gaano namin kayo kamahal. Salamat po sa inyo lahat. Nandahil sa inyo, walang hanggang katayahan ang naibigay niyo sa amin. Salamat po.